How to recover permanently deleted files and folders in Google Drive. So if you want to recover permanently deleted files and folders in your Google Drive, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google Drive, and you may have your folders or files right here. By mistake, you may have deleted something. So if you want to recover the deleted files, then you can simply go with trash, and here you may have your deleted files. But if you've deleted from the trash also, then what you need to do is simply go with the link in the description, and after that it will take you to this kind of interface, and you just need to simply tap on request file recovery. By clicking the button below, you will be signed out of all the other Google accounts. This step is required to verify your identity and continue with file recovery. So you just need to simply tap on request file recovery, and it will give you a form. You just need to simply fill up the form with your first name and your last name, and you need to select where these files deleted and was in your trash in the last 25 days, and just answer a few questions, and after that you can submit. And once you've submitted, then you will restore your permanently deleted files and folders in your Google Drive. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.